Hey, I figured this would be easier just to talk through. So looking at this problem gave us the mean and the standard deviation already, but unfortunately the problem that you had did not give us the mean and the standard deviation. We have to figure that out from the raw data ourselves. So here is what you did already. You already found that the mean GPA was 2.54, and we're going to use that as our point estimate. That's what we're basing our model off of. However, we also need the standard deviation. You already found the critical t-value. We have the square root. There were 10 people total that were sampled, but we needed to find the standard deviation. So don't forget, in order to find a standard deviation, STDEV, and that will give us our sample standard deviation that we can use right in here. So this was our mean. Our mean is right there. We're subtracting away 2.82 standard deviations. What is a standard deviation? Well, first off, we have to figure out what is our standard deviation. STDEV, that's 1.11 GPA points, divided by the square root of 10, which represents our sample size. And then our two endpoints are 1.55 and 3.53. So we are confident that the average GPA is somewhere in between 1.55 and 3.53.